Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M4 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection, you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then let's enter the settings. Now we have to tap on the About phone, which is at the very top of the list, and then tap on this, in my case 14 MIUI version. Let's tap. As you can see, your device is checking, but we've got this option, this information actually, that no updates are available, and this is the first scenario which you can meet, so that you're up to date and there's nothing to download. Of course, you can tap on check for updates if you're not sure, but your device will probably show you the same information. The second scenario which you can meet is that when you've got some updates to download, your device will show you, of course, the name of the update, what has been, for example, added or fixed, and you will be able to simply tap on download or install, and your device will apply to your system. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.